Welcome to an in-depth look at human relations and the abuse of rights as defined by the new Civil Code of the Philippines. We'll be exploring Articles 19, 20, 21, and 22, which are fundamental to understanding ethical conduct and legal recourse in the Philippines. Article 19 mandates that every person, in exercising their rights and duties, must act with justice, give everyone their due, and observe honesty and good faith. This article lays down a crucial rule of conduct for the maintenance of social order and ethical behavior. However, it's important to note that Article 19 itself does not provide a specific remedy for its violation, but sets the stage for other articles. Moving on to Article 20, it states that any person who, contrary to law, willfully or negligently causes damage to another shall indemnify the latter for the same. This article addresses acts that, while perhaps legal, are contrary to morals, good custom, public order, or public policy and cause damage. A key factor here is the intent to injure, highlighting deliberate harmful actions. Article 21 mandates compensation for any person who willfully causes loss or injury to another in a manner that is contrary to morals, good customs, or public policy. This covers situations where an act is legal in itself, but is performed in a way that violates moral principles or public policy. Crucially, for Article 21 to apply, there must be a clear intent to injure. The elements under Article 21 are: first, there is an act which is legal. Second, such act is contrary to morals, good customs, public order, or policy. And third, it is done with intent to injure. Finally, Article 22 addresses unjust enrichment. It states that every person who, through an act or performance by another, or any other means, acquires or comes into possession of something at the expense of the latter, without just or legal ground, shall return the same to him. This article prevents individuals from gaining something unjustly at the expense of another. The core principle is the obligation to return what was acquired without a just or legal ground. These articles collectively form a crucial foundation for human relations and justice within the Philippine legal system. Understanding them helps ensure fair and ethical interactions in society.